Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to make Nigerian fish roll. I'll be using baking method. The ingredients I'll be using are flour. I've already sieved my flour. I have some butter, I shred it. I have egg, curry powder, fresh scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomatoes chopped. I have onions, spring onions, bullion cube and salt, bell peppers red, green and yellow, curry powder. I have crushed garlic and ginger. Of course, I have my fresh mackerel fish and my vegetable oil for frying. First of all, I will season my fish. I go in with bullion cube, salt, onions and curry powder. I also added vegetable oil for it to marinate properly. It's very important that you debone your fish for your fish roll so that you will not cause accidents. So you can see I deboned mine. I'm going to wrap it up with a plastic wrap and set aside for it to marinate properly. I go ahead and prep my dry ingredients. I added salt, baking powder into my flour and mix it properly. If you are using margarine, it is very important to be careful of salt. I'm using unsalted butter. So if you are using margarine when using this recipe, make sure you reduce the salt quantity. Okay, so I go in with my shredded butter. I had to shred my butter because it's cold, and that's how I want it in this recipe. It's very important to use your hand and rub it so that you'll be sure there is no lump of butter or margarine in your flour mixture. I go in with my liquid, add my egg and water and mix this up to form a firm dough. I'm going to list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Please check it out. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video so that others can see it. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. To a clean saucepan, I go in with my vegetable oil. I add my chopped onions and stir. I also added my crushed garlic and ginger to stir it properly. I added my fresh tomatoes and stir. After adding my fresh tomatoes to my onions and garlic and ginger, I go in with my well seasoned mackerel fish. Stir this and allow it to cook properly before adding my vegetables. So guys, while allowing this to cook properly, I also add my scotch bonnet pepper and stir. at this point you can check for the taste of your fish sauce. I checked mine and it's perfectly okay. I go in with my bell peppers. Once your bell peppers is added, bell pepper cooks in less than a minute, so your sauce is almost ready. And I finish that up with my spring onions. Guys, this sauce is super delicious. Apart from using this sauce for fish roll, you can enjoy this with your cooked white yam, your boiled plantain, your white rice, and of course you can also use it for fish pie. So guys, I transfer it into a flat plate for it to cool off before putting it in my fish roll. My dough has rested for a while and it's time to roll. You can roll this into desired shape of your choice. Okay, I trim it up. So guys, it's time to put our fish sauce in the rolled dough and roll it up. This is a very simple thing to do. Just arrange your fish sauce and roll it up. And guys, we are almost done. Seal that up with egg and water. That helps to bind it up. If you don't egg wash before baking, it will open while it's baking in the oven. So it's very important that you rub egg wash at the end of your fish roll before rolling it up finally. After lining my baking tray with parchment paper, or you call it baking paper, I arrange my fish roll and I use knife to give it a little incision so that it will give that crack effect when it's done baking. And I also egg wash. Egg washing it helps to give it that beautiful golden brown look when it's done baking. Okay, so guys, it's time to bake our fish roll. I'm going to bake this at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. It actually depends on the kind of oven that you are using, so you can adjust your baking time based on the oven that you are using. So guys, our fish roll is ready. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.